Do you remember Jean Grey from the X-Men movies? The one who could control electronic devices using her brainwaves?
Jean, what are you...
I don't know. It's not me. Quiet!
It seemed like something out of a fantasy world, right? But what if I told you that similar superpowers are being developed in real life? Imagine being able to control your smartphone or computer just by thinking about it. Well, that's exactly what Neuralink, a new technology founded by Elon Musk, aims to achieve. Neuralink is a company founded by Elon Musk in 2016 that's developing a Neuralink chip called telepathy. Through it, users can interact with electronic devices using only their thoughts. It involves implanting tiny electrodes into the brain, which then transmit signals wirelessly to connected devices. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and could even have applications in medicine. Using chips to decode human brainwave signals and convert them into action is being explored. Neuralink has developed a brain-implanted chip that can wirelessly charge. They've even created a surgical robot for implant procedures. Experts believe that if Neuralink's product, telepathy, proves successful, it could greatly assist differently abled individuals and those with restricted mobility, even aiding in the development of natural motor skills or operating prosthetic limbs. Elon Musk tweeted about the launch, suggesting a future where physically challenged individuals could communicate even faster than through typing or other means. Additionally, telepathy holds the potential to treat neurological disorders like Parkinson's, epilepsy, spinal cord injuries, obesity, autism, depression, schizophrenia, and Alzheimer's. It could enhance memory enhancement and improve human learning and problem-solving skills, fostering a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence. But how does this thing actually work? Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain implant technology, aims to bridge the gap between humans and machines by establishing a direct link between the brain and computers. The first step involves accessing the brain by creating a small hole in the skull, targeting the motor cortex. Now, if you don't know, the motor cortex is a part of the brain involved in planning, controlling, and executing voluntary movements. Tiny electrodes, thinner than a human hair, are then inserted into the brain tissue, precisely targeting neurons responsible for transmitting electrochemical signals. Neuralink eavesdrops on these signals, decoding them into binary code resembling computer language. This digital representation of brain activity is wirelessly transmitted by the Neuralink device, which contains electronics encased in a silicone jacket. Demonstrations with implanted pigs have showcased Neuralink's ability to interpret neural activity associated with physical movements in real time, laying the groundwork for potential applications in restoring functionality for those with disabilities. But is it safe to use on humans? Initially, the neural implant was tested on rats, mice, monkeys, sheep, and pigs. However, only the animals did not receive it. After successful experiments on animals as expected, Elon also tried it on a human. With the recent news surrounding Neuralinks, a human patient, 29-year-old Nolan Arbol, received the first Neuralink implant on January 28, 2024. And according to the company's website, the first clinical trial is open for recruitment.
It just became intuitive for me to start imagining the cursor moving. Basically, it was like using the force on a cursor, and I could get it to move wherever I wanted. Just stare somewhere in the screen, and it would move where I wanted it to, which was such a wild experience.
Elon Musk's brain chip startup Neuralink live streamed its first patient implanted with a chip playing online chess. The surgery was super easy, Arbol said in the video streamed on Musk's social media platform X, referring to the implant procedure. I literally was released from the hospital a day later. I have no cognitive impairments. I had basically given up playing that game, Arbol said, referring to the game Civilization VI. You all gave me the ability to do that again, and played for 8 hours straight. Now take a moment and think. It's safe only if the technology is used for the benefit of humanity and in patient care. However, what happens if it's used for personal gain? The mere idea of having a chip implanted in our brains, allowing others to know our thoughts, is frightening. Losing control over our minds is a disturbing feeling. How did Neuralink get there? Neuralink's journey hasn't been without challenges. The initial prototype, Neuroport, emerged in 2004, followed by various advancements in the field. The company faced criticism, including concerns over animal testing and surgical protocols. Despite setbacks, Neuralink continued its development, recruiting a team of experts in neuroscience, biochemistry, and robotics. In 2016, Elon Musk established Neuralink, which acquired its current name in January 2017. Their efforts led to the creation of a device that could be implanted into the brain to enhance human capabilities, with significant funding and employee growth. Human testing began after approval from the US FDA in 2023, with field trials recruiting human subjects by September 2023. Neuralink recently raised $63 million in funding, and its valuation has soared, signaling a promising future. However, concerns remain about the safety of telepathy, given past issues and controversies surrounding animal testing protocols. Additionally, just like any other electronic device, there are possibilities of glitches or malfunctioning in telepathy. Looking at these safety issues, concerns about lithium batteries and implanted chip materials have also been raised. In 2022, the US FDA refused to approve Neuralink for field trials, with some experts questioning whether the FDA would reverse its decision in 2023 and grant permission for human trials. Today, amidst the global environment of cybersecurity and data privacy concerns, implanted electronic chips in the brain pose serious ethical and security threats. It can protect personal data and prevent unauthorized access to neural information, thereby safeguarding privacy. However, it can also create a twisted scenario, raising concerns about privacy breaches. Even now, there hasn't been any solid evidence from Elon Musk or his company, Neuralink, regarding these safety issues. What is the future of this? We're not even 2 decades into the 21st century, and we can already see the beginning of a new era of technological advancement. From space technology to medical research, every field is witnessing innovations, especially in AI, which is progressing at a groundbreaking pace. That's why the Colonist Dictionary has named AI, or artificial intelligence, as the World of the Year 2023. In such a scenario, the day is not far when the difference between humans and machines will become so minimal that distinguishing between them will be difficult. Therefore, it will only be after large-scale and long-term testing that we'll know whether Neuralink's telepathy chip can make us Professor X or create a new cyborg thread for the world. What do you think about brain-implanted chips? Would you agree to have this chip implanted in your brain? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, check out the videos on your screen for more interesting and AI-related content.